Welcome everyone. Last video I unboxed this Z Flip right here, but it didn't have the box, right? So this time we're actually going to do a proper Galaxy Z Flip unboxing. Yes, these are two separate devices. We'll just see how it is. This is a fully boxed Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. What's ironic is this device without the box cost more than the device with the box. Anyway, let's just pull it up. Look, it has that lag thing, whatever, I don't know. So we just remove the box, right? We have, what's that? Oh, we have the this, and the seller broke that, so we'll just move on. Let's have a look at the phone. So if I take it out, it seems like he didn't put a screen protector on his device. Is it in mint? I think there's like, oh, that's, so it's in mint condition. That's actually really cool. Then we have right here AKG. Oh, it's still boxed. Wow. And then we have, wow, I really need these. A USB type A to C adapter. And then a charging brick. Then what do we have right here? I think it's the cable. So this is the phone. Let's start it up. So now unfortunately you don't get my same first impressions. Although the screen, it actually feels quite good. Yeah, it actually feels like glass. Obviously it isn't, but there you go. We just close. Do you hear that? Oh, now it's gone. Oh, there you go. Sounds like there's dirt inside. Not gonna lie. Okay, there's no password. Oh, sharp. Right, so if we just turn that off. There you go. Can you hear that? Oh, the engine just doesn't feel as good. Let me hear this. And then, I think dirt got inside. That sound is not nice. But anyway, that is, the second Z Flip unboxing. There's not really much to show, right? Swipe up to unlock. I mean, it's the same device. Does he still sign in with Spotify? No. So, there you go. Slightly annoyed about that hinge. But, I mean, he has all the original accessories. Let's just double check. In fact, we're not going to double check. I trust that he's done it. Although I swear there's a case. Is there a case? Let's have a look. I swear it comes with a free case. Yada yada yada. No one cares. Right. Yeah. I guess that's really all there is to it. Bye bye.